Hello guys again, we are back with another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this office chair BILLUM color black. Let's see some specs. We have material, chrome, fox leather, foam, metal, PP, polypropylene, plywood, color is black, made in China, produced for Just. Well, as you can see, this is a large, huge box, and let's open it to see what we have inside and move on for assembly and test it to see if it looks okay or not, if it feels okay to my office. I put it all out of the box and we can see one by one. This is the base, it goes the wheel, the chair that you are sitting, the back of the chair for the hand, you put your hands here, the main mechanism, that unit, and this is the wheels, and included inside was some screws. Now let's take it everything out and start the assembly. Okay, I will start with the wheels. Five of these. Very easy to install, just push it inside. Okay, turn it around and see if everything is on the right position. Okay, now we can take out the mechanism for the chair. That it will go here. Just push it. That you need to put it here. You can see there is an arrow, that means this is the front. Need to take that out, and very easy, you can install it here. Let's put it all the way in, and that was all. And next we have this that you are sitting. You can see the arrow, that means is the front, and of course here's the screw that you are going to connect the back. You can turn it around and screw everything that we need. And of course we've got some manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. Definitely they will help you to do the right thing for the assembly. For mounting the main mechanism to the chair, you need the F key, the D and the A screws. Now next I will install the back of the chair. I will use the C screws, and with a D and with the Allen key I will screw it. Now we're good, and next is for the hand, and I will use the B screws and the E, the last, B and E, some washers. And now same it goes from the other side. Well guys, that was about the assembly. You can see how it looks. Oh well guys, let's see. Oh, it's quite comfortable, not so hard, it's quite soft. It's not going all the way down, the softness, the cushion that it has. I'm not feeling any hard materials. Metallic finish, the handle is very comfortable. From here you can adjust, just pull that out and the chair, it will slide down. And again, you can pull it again and will go the position. And it goes all the way down and again up. That's nice. The back, it's quite comfortable, no problem. Well, I think it's a value of money for 45 euros in discount. It is the chair that you want to buy. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Oh, and I forget, and there is a slide button here down there. You can unscrew and screw them, and that it will adjust the tension that you've got when you're sliding your back, just like that. Adios, bye bye.